how to use align panels on photopea.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you have to select the layer that you want to align. So as I have selected this text, though there are some couple of options for align. Over here on the top, if I click on this, then it will align this layer to the left of the side. If I click this, it will align this layer to the down. If I click on other, and it will do the same for all the other things. Let's say I want to align it to the left, then I have to click on this and it will align it to the left because it's a large canvas, so that's why it's aligning it wrong. Let's say I want to align it again, and I can align it to the left, then I can align it to the center by clicking the multiple layers that I want to select. Then I can align it to this, then I can align it to the center, align it to the bottom, align it to the align it to the top, align it to the center and down. And this is how I can use alignment panel on my photopea.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.